Hello and welcome back, our fellow amateurs. Today is more of a fun and sweet kind of day. What kind of person would I be if we didn't include pumpkin in one of our fall recipes?
A horrible one.
Well, that's too bad because I am a horrible one. We don't have any pumpkin today. Today was supposed to be pumpkin spice Cheerios cereal bars. They didn't have any. They had vanilla spice. Are you feeling basic today?
I feel basic. Lee, come on in. We have a helper today, which means I get to do less work and just eat.
Best not to keep you both waiting. I see you put on your special spandex pants today. Just for this one. So first up today, what we're going to need is the recipe. Marshmallows of the mini variety. Vanilla wafers. Soft caramels. Vegetable oil. And vanilla spice Cheerios.
Here for every pumpkin.
You're also going to need, a 13 by 9 baking sheet, a 1 cup measuring cup, a half cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a large bowl, a medium bowl, a small bowl, and a spatula. Cooking spray. So our lovely assistant today will be taking care of the hands portion of the video. So, to start off, we're going to be spraying our 9 by 13 with cooking spray. And then we're going to set that aside. Over it! Okay. Now, we're going to be spraying the bowl with cooking spray. Now we're going to be spraying the medium bowl with cooking spray. Okay, go ahead and put it there.
You smile.
And now we have to unwrap all of our soft caramels and throw them into the bowl. Here we go. All right, so now that we have unwrapped all of our Werthers, we're going to need we're going to have to take a break and watch that. 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of water. So now, at this point, what we got to do is microwave this bowl for 2 minutes. So at every minute while microwaving, you're going to want to stop it for a minute.
Actually, there's 10 seconds.
Check it. And give it a little stir. And then we're going to let that go back in and continue cooking. Okay, so this is about, I think, what we're looking for. So we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now for the next step, we're going to add in marshmallows. 2 cups of marshmallows. Can you start stirring that for me? It's hard to find good assistants nowadays. Stir that until it all melts together. Side for now.
You go away.
Keep stirring. Stir! Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So while she works on that, we're going to move on over here and add 6 cups of Cheerios. going to pour our lovely mixture all over the Cheerios. Hopefully without making a mess. So to smooth it all out, the recipe calls for more cooking spray. Now we just gotta, smooth. Smooth. Alright, so the next part we're going to start working on the chocolate we drizzle over. So we're going to add a teaspoon of vegetable oil to our small bowl. Then a half cup of our baking chips. Alright, so now we're going to take our baking chips, we're going to microwave them on high for 1 minute, and then we're going to check them. So, what do you call a fake noodle? An impasta.
Oh, God. No. Just cook, that's what you're good at. Is it a minute yet?
5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Happy New Year!
So let's give it a check here. So they're not quite all melted just yet. There's some chunks in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in for about another 15 seconds. Okay, so there we go. Now that's what we're looking for. Nice and melted, no chunks. So let's go pour it on. All right, and now we're going to take that white chocolate and just lightly drizzle all over. Doesn't that look good? Cheers. Alright, so now we're going to let this sit for half an hour in the fridge. We'll see you in 30 minutes.
Hear that?
Nice and crunchy.
Just like my pancakes.
Alright, so the time has come to test this out. So off the bat, it was a lot crunchier than we expected. Let's see if we can get it a little sticky, but I expect that, I suppose, right? Smells great. Smells wonderful. Oh, look at that. Falling apart. Okay, but it smells wonderful. The texture looks great, and I think all in all we got a good even mixture with the sauces and the dressing, and it's staying together really well. So definitely real good there. So let's dive in. Okay. Now I can't find where I cut it. Okay. bottom, it seems, got the majority of our mixture stuff. But, okay. Here we go.
Sticky like glue. So thick you guys can't even speak.
Well, I was just trying to get the taste down.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'll go back to my corner.
Actually, it's really good. It's not too sweet, considering all the caramel and stuff we put into it. It's actually not overpowering. But all in all, it's really good. Like I said, it's not super sweet. It's not overpowering. I think it's just the right amount. So definitely, I think personally a 2-do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So definitely a 2-do. And really, really sticky. So be prepared for that.
What's it smell like? Tell you what, not pumpkin, sugar.
Cereal.
Syrup?
Well, this is how we did. Now, it's your turn. But first, tell us if this is a to-do or a snafu. Comment down below and let us know how we did and what we should do next. Don't forget to smother that subscribe button with love, or else we don't get to eat good or bad food.
If you want to show us how you did, please go join our subreddit, amateursattempting_cook, and our other socials, link in description. We challenge you to do better or worse. Either way, we want to see your attempt. No judgment from us, we promise.
Until next time, my amateurs.
Look happy. Can't find the button. Can't find the button. Why is it not buttoning?